Welcome to F1 PC. We talk about PCs and Formula One, and today we're going to be looking at the building a computer with the Amazon's best-selling components. So I don't know if it's going to be great. I don't know if it's going to be shit. I don't even know if they're all going to be compatible. So let's see what Amazon has in store for us. So we're going to start with the CPU. We're on the best sellers list. Okay, so right off the bat, the best-selling CPU is the 5600X. That's actually not bad. That's really not bad. All right, so we're going to add this to basket. And nope, we don't want protection. And that is it. So let's go back. Then down to the computer cases. That's pretty good as well. So NZXT H510, solid case. Too big for delivery. Don't worry about that right now. So add that to basket. All right. Let's go back. And now we're going down to, we don't need computer screws. We don't need optical drive, don't need sound card, don't need external TV tuner, fans and cooling. Let's see what they have. All right. So we've got thermal paste and we got fans. So yeah, so let's add some MX4. That's very good actually. It's probably why it's the best seller. That's a good price though as well. We've got the Noctua DH. So this is the first CPU cooler on the list for cooling. Is this compatible with AM4 LGA 700 AM4? Yes, it is. So we're gonna add that to basket. Don't need that. Let's go back and back to components. And now we get the juicy stuff. So graphics card. That is a pretty good option, hey. I don't know about the price. I think you can get them for cheaper, especially because it's not a TI. But a 3060 is the best seller at the moment on Amazon. So, alright, so that's quite interesting. Cool. So we don't need port cards. We don't need memory card reader, optical sound, internal KVM switches, laptop, don't need laptop. So now we need RAM, memory. So is this DDR4? Yes, it is DDR4. So that's the best RAM at the moment. Well, the best selling RAM at the moment. All right. So what do we have left? £56 for 16 gigabytes. That's fantastic. Okay, motherboards. All right, so the one that's the best selling at the moment's not available. There's no new price. So we're going to take the Mag B550 as the next best option, which, by the way, is a fantastic motherboard. B550. The Tomahawk range has been great. B450 Tomahawk was an amazing motherboard. I actually had that one myself. So yeah, that is a good motherboard. And it seems like a lot of people agree with it being the best seller. Cool. So don't need a network card. Power supply. Best power supply. So we got a 3060 and a 5600X. So this should probably be fine, to be fair. And £38. I don't know how good it is, but or reliable, but £38. Wow. Or a 600-watt graphics card. Power supply. That's cheap. So I don't need tablets. Okay, so what are we missing? Storage. So storage. I don't think it's here. I think it's in the computer accessories. Yeah, so data storage. All right. So what is the best internal data storage? Best selling internal. Crucial. So I actually featured this one on one of my previous videos. On the best budget build. M.2. It's a Gen 3, as you can see, PCIe Gen 3, 1 terabyte NVMe. So this is it's not the best, but it's very good. You can see the read and write speeds are not bad. So £65 for this. I think that's all. So let's proceed to checkout. No, I don't want to proceed to checkout. Okay, well, anyway, we can see now. Let's go to the basket. So we've got number one bestsellers all across the basket. And what does it come to? It comes to £1,000. So I can't really argue with that, hey. So yeah, I don't know. That's not a bad computer. I would change a few things. Like I wouldn't take the 5600X. I'd take something else. Maybe the 5600, and then I would take. I mean, the case I can't you can't get better for the price. This is good thermal compound. That's a very good air cooler. Although you know what, I think this CPU might come with an air cooler X though. I don't know if the X's do. The RAM is good, although it's not the fastest RAM, but for the price, you can't complain. The motherboard I won't change. The power supply I might change. Where is the graphics card? So the graphics card's the biggest question mark on for me in this list. But yeah, for this PC, you're looking at entry level 1440p gaming, which is pretty good, hey. Yeah, if you want to build and buy now, then this is not a bad option. To be fair, I was expecting this list to be completely messed up and mixed up and just not a good PC to recommend, but I would say this is not bad for £1,000. It'll take some research to get better than that for £1,000. To be fair, maybe if you go onto PC Part Picker, use the same parts, you'll be able to build it for cheaper. But yeah, that's it. So if you like the video, then please like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon, and let me know in the comments below what you think of this build, because I'm quite surprised, to be honest, that it's as more than half decent. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.